Hello everyone, I'm Maggie, and if you're struggling with English and want to improve your communication, this is the channel for you. Is learning irregular verbs driving you crazy? Let me help you with that. Did you know a common mistake learners make is trying to memorize all irregular verbs at once? Don't do that. That leads to frustration and confusion. The key is to focus on patterns and practical use instead. So today, I'm gonna share tips for learning irregular verbs effectively. Tip 1. Learn verbs by pattern. Did you notice that some irregular verbs follow similar patterns? Grouping them helps you memorize faster. Here are some patterns you should know. So, all forms stay the same. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Set, set, set. These verbs are simple since they don't change in any form. Second pattern, the infinitive form is the same as the past participle. Run, ran, run. In these verbs, the infinitive and the past participle, the third column forms, are identical, okay? So, third, verbs with the same radical. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Give, gave, given. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Take, took, taken. Retake, retook, retaken. Overtake, overtook, overtaken. These verbs have the same root and they have a consistent pattern changed only by prefixes. So, nothing changes in the conjugation. Building a short paragraph using irregular verbs can help you on how to memorize the sentence better. So here's an example. James had set a meeting to Monday at 7 a.m., but since he drank too much on Sunday, he came to the office an hour late. His manager was very angry when James gave a lame excuse for not being on time. James expected to be forgiven, but his manager put him on a performance improvement plan. If you liked those tips, click on that button, leave your comments, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.